I usually be getting a lot of questions of how do I do so much things in such a small garage, but I have a little organization slash unorganized chaos that I got going on. So in today's video, they're down there making a bunch of noise. I'll go ahead and I'll show you guys my garage setup. So it's like a garage tour. I ain't clean anything up because I'm gonna waste time cleaning stuff up to just unclean it back. Well, use the stuff. So I'm gonna just leave everything as is. I'm gonna just show you uh, my garage. So I'll just get you a quick garage tour. All right, guys. So this is where the magic happens. So here I got my cabinet with all my stickers. I have all my chemicals, paints, and stuff like that in that cabinet. Of course, you guys have seen the toolbox before. Some Matco 4S. Then on top, I have my boom boxes, some art, my cross brace, and then just random stuff that I've collected. Just here's the top. Hey, I use my stuff, so I'm always doing something. Vidmar with more tools and supplies, more so press molded. My top Don, more random stuff up here. I do have AC and heat. I did put this in. Me and my buddy from Josh from work helped me put it in. Pretty simple. It's a Pioneer AC and heat. Comes in handy. TV so I could watch some too. My Ferrari F1 car. I have a DeWalt 60-gallon 220 air compressor. Got my fishing poles back there. Got a little Flexzilla hose, 50-foot, that's good enough. And then I got this water separator desiccant thing. I just got this off of Amazon. My creeper AC unit. I usually have my flag, my American flag up right here, but in the winter, the heat, that gets hot. I want to start a fire. Then I got all my safety glasses, Leo Pritchard, more random stuff, 105 shell, my little squirrel hunter, some more airplane stuff, my golf clubs, PXG I hadn't played in a minute, jack stands right here. This doesn't really stay right here. This is a transmission jack, but I just finished a job with my buddy. Then I have all my books, so they're all old school books for Mercedes and BMWs and things like that. So they're all old Mitchell or Chilton shop manuals. Of course, Max, my 2015 Hellcat, had it 11 years now. I bought it in 2015 when they first came out. Over here, see if you could spot who this is. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, look at that handsome fellow. Back in my tech school as a combat engineer first before I became a flyer. I like art, so I got some art stuff. My jersey when I ran the San Antonio Rock and Roll Marathon. Go Birds. Deployed stuff. So this is my Harbor Freight cart that I made into my pressure washer cart on wheels so I could move it around. So I got that Comet pressure washer. So this is all my car washing and pressure washing stuff. Then I have a welder, yes welder. Hadn't used it yet. I just need to get the setup for the gas. My little Go Trax Nano. I don't really need it, but I take it to the ride it to the mailbox. Of course, my Pennzoil sign, drill press, and then these are all the parts that I've been collecting right here for the Mercedes, my 92 Mercedes 500. That's gonna be the next things that I do. And I just have some more parts, some 134, my ultrasonic cleaner to clean parts and everything like that, so that's pretty cool. The mini engine, and then I have this that I wheel around, put my tools on here, wheel it around where I need to. The Matco stand, the Sidekick, so it do go up and go down. Some quick jacks. These quick jacks are actually my buddy Ronnie's quick jacks. I used to have some back in like 2018, and they were like 1,400 bucks. Now they're like 2,500 bucks. So I use it all the time. Then of course, all my art, C-130 inch Rolls-Royce engine. I used to know every part on that engine, what it do, how it works, everything. That was when I was a flight engineer flying on 130s at Pope. And then I got all my model cars, my old flying helmet, gave that up. But then this is blocking it, of course, but this is for the Mini. That's for door cards and stuff like that. Then I have my table that's foldable that I move around as needed. That's the Mini door. I got this sign. I'm gonna remake that into a Mission Fly garage sign. So I like signs and old signs. So if I get a good deal or find them, I just scoop them up and then work on them. And then of course, that's Max. When I went on the airfield with the P-51, hanging out with his bros. All my Funko Pops, Star Wars. Me and my daughter used to collect those. That was a thing me and her did. She loved it and I loved it too. Now she's all grown and gone. Airplane, Pilates. And then I have my little rack right here. So these are all my BG. So like penetrating, brake cleaner, citrus foam. This isn't supposed to be here. So I usually have them all lined up in a row of what I use. So just miscellaneous stuff, gas, old oil, just more random stuff. That's my seats, not my seat, but my chair. But depends on what I'm doing. I'll clean up and set up for the next car or next project that I'm working on. A little vacuum. So, as you can see in here, it's not big, but I'll make it work. And yeah, that's my sanctuary. I'll be here all day, all night. If you don't know where I'm at, I'm in here. So yeah, so that was just a quick garage tour of my little garage. Of course, eventually I would want a shop or a big garage, but this works for me right now for what I got going. And I said I move stuff around, and of course I have the storage unit where I just move all the cars to when I need to move them. So it doesn't matter what size garage you have, what you got going on, you just make it work for what you need. So that's pretty much it. So again, guys, thanks for watching the videos. Thanks for liking, and also remember to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching another video. Peace.